Now we shall start with direct and indirect speech. We have finished this lesson. So let us move on with lesson 17, direct and indirect speech. Now, direct speech is when we are talking in front of each other. Two people are standing in front of each other and talking to each other. That is always into direct speech. And if this talk between the two person, you are going to some other place and telling to some other third person, then that gets converted into indirect speech, right? So this is direct and indirect speech. Let us study further how it can be used. Direct and indirect speech. ईला said, I am really sorry for the mistake. अब ईला के सामने कोई वो पर्सन खड़ा है तो उसको वो क्या बोलेगी? I am really sorry for the mistake, right? ईला said, अब ये ईला ने उसको I am sorry बोला, ये तीसरे पर्सन को आप जाकर के बोलोगे तो क्या बोलोगे? ईला said that she was really sorry for the mistake, right? There are two ways of reporting what somebody said. We can reproduce the exact words of the speaker as in verse 1, sentence 1. This is called direct speech. Or we can express the speech in our own words as in 2 above. This is called indirect or reported speech. Direct speech is set off by inverted commas. Inverted commas के अंदर always direct speech को रखा जाता है. Indirect speech usually begins as Niru said that. Joy asked Meera if, right? हम लोग उसमें reporting verb डाल के उसको expand करते हैं. We do not normally report someone's words as soon as they are spoken or at the place where they are spoken. हम immediately उसके बोले हुए words उसके सामने repeat नहीं करते, थोड़े time के बाद होता है, इसलिए normally past tense हो जाता है उसका. Besides, the reporter is usually different from the actual speaker. जो बोला है वो same person उसको repeat नहीं कर रहा है, कोई और उसकी जगह पे उसका बोला हुआ statement repeat करता है. So the reported speech differs from the direct speech in certain aspects. Renu said, I am not free today for Anu is coming to meet me. Renu said that she was not free that day. Today का that day हो गया, right? That she, I am का हो जाएगा she was not, right? That day for Anu was coming, is coming becomes was coming because past tense हो गया उसका बोला हुआ, to meet her. Besides dropping inverted commas and using some conjunction, inverted commas निकल गए, right? और conjunction add हुआ that, if, etc. We have to take care of three other things while reporting speeches, right? So underline this. Beside dropping the inverted commas and adding in conjunction, we have to take care of three more points which are into the indirect speech. Tenses. Most of the times, underline this. Number one, tenses. Most of the times, the reported speech is in the past tense. She was not free. Somebody was coming. Personal pronouns like I, we, you, etc. and possessives like my, our, your, etc. change according to the situation. She was coming to interview her. Words denoting nearness of time and place are changed. Not free today, not free that day. It is good to know how these changes are affected so that we report speeches correctly, right? तो हमको इसके rules सीख लेना चाहिए so that we report the speeches correctly. Now changing the tenses, reporting verb in a present or future tense becomes the tenses in the reported speech unchanged, right? Present or future tense में होता है तो generally unchanged रहता है. Indu says the teacher is going to teach a new topic. Indu says that the teacher is going to teach a new topic. Generally present tense. Is going, present continuous tense remains same. He will say, future tense, good music makes a good film. He will say that good music makes a good film. Reporting verb in past tense. The tenses in the reported speech changed into corresponding past tense, right? Past tense का form corresponding past tense में change होता है. In general, is, are, am becomes was, were. Was, were becomes had been. Had been becomes no change, remains no change. Has, have becomes had. Had remains with no change. Do becomes did. Did becomes had gone. Had done, sorry. And had done remains like that without any change, no change. Will, shall, would, right? Will, shall become would. In certain cases, shall might be changed to into should. May, can become might, could. Would, should, might remain no change. Could, ought to, or used to, that is also no change. Must becomes had to, right? Now, example, you haven't been going to school for some days. Reena gives you some school news on the phone. She says the new principal has taken over. The sports meet is going to be held in December. Bobby was declared the best artist in the competition. Rosie wants to join the hostel. Later you report this to your mother. This is how you will report. ये जो सारा इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में डायरेक्ट स्पीच दिया है उसको आप कैसे रिपोर्ट करोगे, दैट इज बीन कन्वर्टेड ओवर हियर. तो पहला वाला क्या है, रीना गिव्स यू सम स्कूल न्यूज ऑन द फोन. शी सेज, तो रीना रैंग मी इन द इवनिंग, राइट. Then she told me that the new principal had taken over. The new principal has taken over का had taken over हो गया. She said that the sports meet was going to be held in December. The sports meet is going to be held in December. वो वैसा के वैसा ही रहा. She said that Bobby had been declared the best artist at the competition. Bobby was declared the best artist at the competition. Then she said that Rosie wanted to join the hostel. Rosie wants to join the hostel becomes wanted to join, right? Then there are three situations in which even if the reporting verb is in the past tense, we leave the tenses in the reported speech unchanged, right? Underline this point. ऐसे three situations है जहाँ पे आप उसका tense change नहीं करते हो past tense में, and that is the reported speech expresses a universal truth or a habitual fact. अगर universal truth होगा, habitual fact होगा, तो उसको हम लोग change नहीं करते हैं. Our teacher said a magnetic needle always points towards the north, to the north. The reported speech is in the universal truth, is a universal truth, तो इसको हम change नहीं करते. Our teacher told us that a magnetic needle always points to the north. I said to the tourist, the Indian summer is usually very hot. The reported speech is a habitual fact. ये पता है सबको, Indian summer is very hot. It is a fact. So I told the tourist, sorry, not artist, it's tourist. I told the tourist that the Indian summer is usually very hot, right? Second option is the reported speech describes a situation which will exist when the speech is reported. The station master said all the trains are running late because heavy rains have damaged some parts of the track. The situation continues to be unchanged at the time of reporting. The station master said that all the trains are running late because heavy rains have damaged some parts of the track, right? मतलब जब आप ये स्पीच को रिपोर्ट कर रहे हो, किसी और को जाकर के बोल रहे हो, तभी भी ये फैक्ट अनचेंज्ड है, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं आया है. इसीलिए आप सेम टेंसेस यूज करते हो, आप उसका टेंस चेंज नहीं कर रहे हो, राइट. द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच contains two clauses. इसमें आपको sentences सारे लिखने पड़ेंगे, unless and until you write you will not understand it, right? So please write the examples. The reported speech contains two clauses, both in the past. Neeraj said to me Deepa was busy, so she didn't go to see the movie. Neeraj told me that Deepa was busy, so she didn't go to see the movie. Write down this first example. However, in this case, it would also be correct to say Neeraj told me that Deepa had been busy, so she hadn't gone to see the movie. This is also correct, right? Now say and tell. We say something, but we tell somebody, right? Sudha said that she wasn't satisfied with her result. Sudha told me that she wasn't satisfied with her result. So say ka tell ho jata, told, said ka told ho jata hai. That is only the difference, right? So no need to write this, it's okay. Now let us move on to exercise 1. Exercise 1, put the following into indirect speech using that as a conjunction. All exercises in this chapter should first be done orally in the class. That is fine. I will solve the first 5 sentences, and from 6 to 10, 6 to 12 rather, or 6th one also I'll do it. From 7 to 12 you shall do it in the homework, and I'll focus at the end on the answer key, right? The first one is the Prime Minister says Indian economy is developing very fast, right? So how you should do it? The Prime Minister said, or even you can say the Prime Minister declared or says that Indian economy is developing very fast. The Infosys chief has said information technology has shrunk the world. The Infosys chief has said that information technology has reduced the world to a global village. Everybody will say has shrunk the world bhi ho sakta hai, right? Everybody will say Indian technicians are the best in the world. Everybody will say that Indian technicians are the best in the world. My aunt said it is a pity that the government has failed to control inflation. My aunt said that it was a pity that the government had failed to control the prices. Inflation matlab prices, महंगाई matlab inflation hota hai, right? The captain said how slow bowlers will not prove effective on Australian pitches. The captain said that slow bowlers would not prove effective on Australian pitches. The principal told Monish students are not allowed to use cell phones on the school campus. The principal warned Monish, right? Daat rahi hai wo, warned Monish that students were not allowed to use cell phones on the school campus. Right now 7 to 12 you do it in the homework. I'm focusing it on the answer key for 3 to 4 seconds. You can pause the video if you want and copy down the answer so that you do not make any mistakes grammatically or any spelling mistakes, right? We stop here now, and from further we shall start it next time.